I just want to ask this question. So I have this green filter, which is, it's kind of like K&N. It's the best filter. It's very high flow. So it has this filter. This filter has 47,000 miles. I installed this filter when the car was brand new. Usually on every other filter, it will have a black like soot, or just black. It will have dirt, like. But this one has. It looks brand new. Like there's no dark spots. It just looks brand new, and it already has 46,000 miles, 47,000 miles. And then when I look at the intake on this Volkswagen, look how tightly it's sealed. Like there's 10 bolts. You have to unscrew with a star key on all the sides. And let's see, so there's, about like 10, maybe 8 screws and 9 screws. And that's the air intake, right? So my question is this filter so clean because this air box is so airtightly sealed that no debris and dirt gets in there? Because I just replaced this filter with a new one, but the new one looked just like this one. I mean, there's not even a sign. I replaced about 25 of these filters or more in the past 25 years, and all my cars I use these filters, and there's always like dirt, like an imprint of dirt where the airflow is going in the air intake. It's usually like here, or it's usually like in the middle somewhere. You see like a circle of dirt, and around it it's clean like this one, but this one is completely clean. So I just wonder if the German technology is just so much better than the Japanese and the American cars. I just don't understand. Is there even a point of changing this filter? Because it's clean. I think the only thing I have to do is just spray it a little bit with a light coat of that special oil, because this one looks like it's like dried up over the 8 years it's been there, or 7 years. So I think it's just missing. I would need to spray some oil, but not too much oil, because it's gonna clog your mass flow air sensor. But leave your comments in the questions. Maybe explain to me if this is even worth changing, or should I just spray the oil and put it back in? I have another filter in there, just the same one. I have usually 2, but they look the same. Like the new filter looks the same as this one. So I just don't understand if is that because the airflow is not flowing properly and there's like not enough airflow to the car, or is it because it's just so tightly sealed that no dirt gets in there? Because like the other Japanese cars and other cars, you just have like these clips. You have clips here and you just clip them off. And most of the time over the years, they'll, like these edges here, they'll just crack and the clips won't even be able to clip on. So I like this idea. Yeah, it's more a pain in the ass of like unscrewing it, because you need a star key, right? So you got to buy like $10 tool, whatever. But this is so airtight and so just it's the way it's made. It's like it's not gonna ever fall apart because it doesn't have those stupid clips that clip onto the edges like on the Japanese cars and some American cars I've seen. But just let me know in your comments to see why you think this is, and is this a good sign, a bad sign that this filter is completely clean? Is it because it's just not getting enough air? So like maybe like the airflow is so weak that there's no dirt being deposited in there because the airflow is so horrible. I believe it's coming through here. Like, so this is probably where it gets where the mouth is, like, or the snorkel, whatever you want to call it, and then that's it just goes in there, and it goes inside this air box. So my question is it just really bad airflow system? That's why it's like barely getting any like direct air in there into this filter when it hits the filter, or because it's just so well protected by these 8-9 screws? I just don't understand.